Today we are going to talk about a database question on the topic homeostasis. This is a circadian rhythm, which is generally a daily cycle in psychology and behavior. It can be a sleep cycle. Now we talk about a protein named cryptochrome, which is involved in circadian rhythm in mammals. So there are two groups identified. Group A, they produce cryptochrome, while B don't produce it. The behavior in mice was assessed through the wheel running activity for 28 days. First 7 days were given altering 12 hours period of light and dark. So there are two things were the variables given, light and dark. Between 8 to 28 days, they were kept in continuous darkness. The rotation of wheel is plotted and the time of days plotted on x-axis. The band on top indicate dark and light period in the first 7 days. So just need to remember the first 7 days they were given the period light and dark and then continuous darkness. So this is graph, right? 1 to 7 days, this is light and dark both. And then after that, from 8 to 28 is continuous darkness when they are put in continuous darkness. So state the light condition where mice were most active during the first 7 days. So we will look at this part for both graph. So they are more active. So these patterns show activity. So they are more active in dark. So just one reason. So when the mice is active in dark, it is nocturnal, and that is one mark. Compare the effect of constant darkness. So we are comparing from here to here. Now, this is 3-mark questions. The group A maintained rhythm. There's a proper pattern, while group B do not have, is more active frequently, even in the light as well. So when we are looking in continuous darkness, there's no proper pattern. They are active and inactive both. B is active for a shorter period than group A. So this is also evident from the graph. Now when we talk about the compare, generally now with new syllabus comes compare and contrast. So you have to give 1 point for similarity as well, as this question is taken from the previous syllabus. So you have to have the similarity as well. If we look at this one, for the similarity, you can talk about that they show both pattern, a active and rest pattern in both cases, group A and group B. Now evaluate the hypothesis. Hypothesis says cryptochrome is necessary. Now you have larger scope when the command term evaluate comes. In this one, you can talk about B had a rhythm, suggesting cryptochrome are not necessary. So B is the group when the mice are not having the cryptochrome. So they had the rhythm from 1 to 7 days, but then after that, after constant darkness, they were not able to have a rhythm, which indicate that they need a cryptochrome. So in evaluate part, you have larger scope of mark scheme. You can suggest, but that should be scientifically sound.